New building, ship owner, 542. Many wages around the planet will be equal because this democratic market, supply and demand, before it was in Europe, because we are the rich countries, and then ship owners stopped paying 3,500 euros for AB on board the Roro, went down to 2,800. Well, there is few companies up north that still are paying 4,400 and so. But the tendency is, if you need to, under European flag or European crew, pay more than 2,800, then change flag. Put Asian crew, 50% cabotage rules, and therefore we go down towards $2,000 for AB. And then many different ship owners are thinking, oh well, why don't they bring Asians? But what about the Latinos? LPG, tanker, chemical, general cargo, bulk carrier, container, LNG, because 50% of the world trade will be Atlantic, the European peninsula. Therefore, it means that if you want to get 26% more budget for your crew, the crew management of your ship, instead of 1 million, the full crew per year would be 1.26. If you ask more constraints, more requirements. But the tendency today is to be more democratic, because internet is democratic. AI systems really help us to solve a lot of supply solutions. There is many countries that have very good seafarers, like Cuba, like Venezuela, like Panama, Spain, and so on, and we can really work it out in a way that we don't need to depend in the Asian supply, because here 50% of world trade will be like USA now exporting so much LPG gas that why not serve these Panama, Peru, Honduras, Latino countries supply of crew? Why invest in America, invest in Europe? And then if you are thinking to crew your new building with a different solution, contact Candina, because with your existing solution, perhaps it is 26% more expensive, and perhaps in the long term, the talent will fly to other company paying more. But just invest in your long-term policy. Thank you. Bye.